friends, welcome back. This is unboxing video of Mac Mini M4. M4 version of SoC is quite good and compared to M1, M2 and M3 versions, it is having greater cores and also better processing power, and it is widely compared well uh, with AMD, Intel and Qualcomm chips. Let's unbox it. This time it is a design change after having about 14 years of previous design. Now we are having a 5 by 5 inch width and depth, and height is slightly larger or higher than last time. So about 2 inches in height. It has got a nice packaging as well. And this one recently some benchmark videos also have shown that it is quite good compared to the previous generation and earlier generations, and this is compared well against M1 Max chip as well and M2 Pro chip. So the base model itself is quite capable with regular day-to-day tasks, but for video editing, it is better if you have at least 24 GB of RAM if you are doing it for money and day-to-day. So it has got power button at the bottom. It's like the design decision which is not accepted by some public. It has got two USB-C ports in the front and power Ethernet and several Thunderbolt ports, three of them precisely at the back. It has got HDMI to connect to monitor, or we can connect using Thunderbolt as well. It has got some brochures in circular form this time, and there are no stickers this time. The manual explains briefly on the parts and ports of the Mac Mini. And here is another leaflet explaining on the parts and ports. And there is the power cable itself. So besides Mac Mini, only power cable is provided. So we have to provide our own Thunderbolt cable or HDMI cable to the monitor. And this power cable is braided and it is of good quality. Thank you.